Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Origin Protocol daily update. We are going to see the next targets. Where are we going? It is exploding. Before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Patreon/Mind Your Crypto is the link you will find in the description box and in the comment section. You'll get easy profits trading 200 altcoins through an automated system with buying and selling opportunities, a manual system with over 90% win ratio. That's right, our unique manual system, no one else to be found, nowhere actually else to be found, personal guidance every day, and of course many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now to see Origin Protocol and the risk metrics. We have a very high risk, but OGN keeps going on and on. We did not form a bearish RSI divergence back then, so we could continue, we could manage to keep going on and on. And the commodity channel index as well, you can see it is in a clear overbought situation. Same with the stochastic RSI, same with the Fisher transform. Now it is going even to the 4 number right here. And of course, we got a crazy risk. What is next? What we should be doing? Let's see a little bit the daily frame and the risk metrics right here. On the daily frame, what do we have is that we made the 50-day EMA as a support level right here. You can see that we had the institutional gap between this day and today. Of course, we had a selling pressure and then institutions went in right now, and we had this huge crazy pump for OGN. Right now, crazy high risk with the RSI, crazy high risk with the commodity channel index. But is this the start of something better? Is this the start of going even higher potentially into an impulsive wave mode? Maybe. Let's go to OGN against Bitcoin chart to see the price targets now, and then we are going back to OGN against USDT to check our price targets together with Mind Your Crypto. Let's go right now to see OGN against Bitcoin chart. This whole area that we are in right now for the very short term, for the next hours, is a very strong resistance level area. So you should be extremely careful. Right now, if you trade OGN Bitcoin pair, you should be exiting, except if you want to sort it out, then it's all fine by me. Also, we are going to form possibly a bearish RSI divergence right here. Okay, so you should be extremely careful from now on. We might be correcting, we might be even touching a little bit up higher and then correct, but if we close below these lines right here, then we are going probably to correct. Okay, we have a very strong, huge risk right here, possible bearish RSI divergence for the short term, and we might be going down to further support lines. Okay, so we can go potentially into the 0.40118. Let's see right there, the price label on. So you can see right here, we might be approaching this price level right there. And of course, we might be going down even further down to the 0.401068. Do not worry about that though. On the daily frame, it is looking very good. Of course, though, we have a very high risk, so you should be careful. If I go on the weekly frame though, it looks even better. We do not have a very huge overbought situation right now with any risk metric, and of course we can potentially move even higher if we have a breakout on the weekly frame, maybe towards the 1687. Let's go back to OGN against USDT. So right here, I will explain what I think. First of all, we are in a very critical resistance level point, the 0.5180. If we can manage to close above the 0.5180, we are going probably to go to the 0.55, where we have the most important resistance level. So we have two actually. One, 0.55, to the 0.5180 we are in right now, and we cannot overcome so easily. If I draw the trend-based Fibonacci extension from this bottom 24 January back to this top on 10 February, okay, and to this bottom back onto the 24 February, you can see that the 1.618 line collides perfectly with our 0.55. So the two lines are very close together. So yes, this is a crazy high risk resistance level area that we might not be able to surpass if we close above the 0.51. If we do not make it above the 0.51, then be prepared maybe for a little bit more correction. We are going to correct towards the 0.5180 or maybe towards the 0.54 0.87 to 0.55. What happens though on the next weeks? I was talking about the short term, the next hours, the next days. What happens about the next week? So possibly about the next weeks, we might be going even further upwards, okay? And I'm going to delete this one right here, the Fibonacci retracements, everything is going to be deleted. We have the weekly 20-day EMA as a very huge resistance level as well though, but on the weekly frame we do not have an overbought situation. This is now where we are starting. Maybe we can grow potentially even more, but for the short term, really be careful, okay? Be extremely careful. It is this line right here and it is the next line around 0.55 that you should be extremely careful, okay? And if we do not close above these lines, then I suggest you just to wait a little bit. It is a crazy high risk area that we are possibly going to correct. And what will be the next targets right here? What will be the next targets for OGN USDT? Let's find out. So eventually, let's say that we are correcting from now on. So we are having 0.4654, 0.4246, and so on. Okay, we have these support levels and we will be dropping down to those. There, we might be having a little bit of a buying pressure around there. Okay. But anyway, you should be paying attention to these support levels right here. 0.46, 0.4246 are the next price targets in case we cannot close above this line. If we find rejection on the 0.55, those support lines will go a little bit higher, but they will stay kind of the same. Be careful right now as we are approaching an extreme high risk, as we have an extreme high risk right there, because we're approaching a very important resistance level, not because of the risk metrics actually so much. I am doing price analysis mostly rather than technical analysis. And of course, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. You won't regret it. You will get easy profits. You can cancel anytime you like. I can guarantee that. Thank you for watching. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.